loves, welcome back to my channel. Yes, and it's me, BOSSBABE CAFE. We're back again for another reaction video, and this coming from Russia. And the title of the video is Igor Moiseyev Ballet and Winter Fantasy Snowstorm. Wow. I'm excited to share with you guys, so please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn notification for more reaction video like this. So let's get into the video, guys. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Igor Moiseyev Ballet, Winter Fantasy Snowstorm. Just like I'm kid again, you know. Watch this video. Here we go. Wow. Snow. Wow, I love the graphics. I mean the LED wall. There's a trees. Is that the trees? Yeah, it's the trees. Oh. Looks like forest and winter. It's a winter snowstorm. I love the sound. Wow! Look at that! Wow, that's wonderful. Oh, looks like butterfly. Oh, nice costume. She's so pretty. Here we go. They're floating again. Wow. The sound also is like windy, like a storm. Look at the smile. Wow. Look at the formation. They are so professional. See? Looks like they're floating. Wow. Easy to watch, but I think it's really hard for them, no? Wow, that's magic. Kid. Ooh. Wow, like it. I'm really serious watching it. Wow. Wow. It really looks beautiful. Looking beautiful, wide angle. My cat is wandering while I'm talking here. Wow. like a fairy, you know. Even the trees also, look at that. They're floating also. This is a magical performance. Yeah. Hmm. Oh. Oh. Wow. Is it a fairy? See that? They're just like a, what do you call that? A walking doll. Yeah. They're so even and synchronized. Wow. They have a good balance. Wow. So pretty. They're just like a doll, my gosh. Really good dancers. Wow. They're just like a robot or a doll, you know. Wow. I like their shoes. Wow. Look at that. Mm. Woo. Wow, beautiful. Oh, sleeping baby. Yay! Wow. I love the waves, you know. Oh, here we go. California. Oh, she's gone. What a magic. Yay. Feels like I'm a kid again watching this ballet fantasy Snowstorm, guys, by Igor Moiseyev Ballet. Thank you so much for sharing this video to me. It's a really nice experience also watching this kind of video, because this is my first time to, see that kind of entertainment, guys. I would love to see that in reality. I mean, in the live show, guys, not only in this reaction video, doing this kind of reaction video, but to go there to watch in person in reality video. And thank you so much, guys, for sharing this video to me. A lot of knowledge to you guys, because you are so great. Keep sharing a good video to me, guys. Thank you so much. And keep going, guys. If you want to suggest another video to react on, guys, please don't forget to leave a comment below. And also, and if you want to give, there's a lot of people also asking where they can give a support to Bossy Cafe. I have a PayPal also there, guys, and I have buy me a coffee link. You can send your support also to that link also, guys, in my description box. And also don't forget to leave a comment below if you want to suggest another video to react on. Thank you so much in advance, and happy new year to all of you guys. And until our next video, my loves, world peace. Bye bye.